Alright, so this is Nice River. Really terrible right now. Terrible piece of situation here. Strong piece of water coming down. Wait, I move the post. All the water from up, all the hills coming down, rushing right down.